Hey everyone, it's Dr. Paul. So here we'll be doing a banded pull-apart press. This is a really great exercise for combining shoulder blade movement with rotator cuff activation. So to start, I'm going to be holding a light band, probably the lightest band you have. I like these thin bands. My palms are up, thumbs are pointed out, elbows are bent to 90. From here, I'm going to grab pretty narrow on the band, pull it apart a little bit so that my hands are just right outside of my elbows from a front view. Then here, I'm going to press forward and up, back and down, forward and up, back and down. And I really want to make sure that, first of all, my thumbs stay pointed out to the side. They never rotate up, ever. And then also, I never shrug. So as I go up, I never want to shrug up like that. I always want to keep my shoulders down as I press, and also keep my shoulders down as I bring my arms back. Last point, this is a bit more fine detail, but think about your shoulder blades, where they are in space. As I'm pressing forward, I want my shoulder blades to be pushing forward, even though I'm not shrugging. And then as I bring my arms back, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades back together. Again, shoulder blades forward as I press up, shoulder blades squeeze back as I bring my arms back to the starting position.